Alright guys, it finally happened. My monitor shit out on me. Watch, my little green light just turns red. It won't fire up. So let me show you how to fix your TV when it does something like this. Let's lay the TV down on a clean workbench. Grab our Snap-on brand TV repair tool. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright, this is taking too long. Okay, Snap-on makes this television repair tool. Remember to wear safety glasses. There we go. And there it is, guys. All it was a bad fuse. All back together and we are working good. Have a couple of lines, but that's okay.